Now it's time for latest information here from InfoWeather. This is Dorian only. We will only be talking about Dorian. In this update, you can see its path updated. Most recently, Category 4, nearing Cat 5 strength, and it may go back and forth between Cat 4, Cat 5 area, maybe even mid Cat 4 rather than high Cat 4, because we are expecting some eye wall replacement cycles to begin. We'll get to that here in a bit. Anyways, super big slowdown like we've been talking about, 48 hours over the Bahama area. Hurricane warnings in effect. Tropical Storm Watch remains in effect here for the Florida coast, and you can see our latest wind graphics across the southeastern United States as Dorian slowly weakens as it heads off in north. Now, there does remain significant potential that the storm moves closer to shore, in which case these red areas and that pink area will be expanded further inland, and this green area, especially here where it's thin, will be moved farther inland, likely if trends continue at the next tropical cyclone update, which I think is occurring around 11 o'clock Eastern time. After that, 3 o'clock Eastern time, maybe tomorrow afternoon. So stay tuned for more information. I'll post in the description below when the next update will be. Here from InfoWeather, you can see these are the same exact models we looked at earlier from the European models, but I'm not sure how the 18Z models look. This is 12Z, so this is old news. But the main thing is that this is the American model, and these have significantly moved back west. And that's because Recon went up here and they surveyed the air mass over here north of Dorian, which has a high pressure ridge over it, which is the main steering factor into how Dorian lives its life. So the ridge is here and it's strong right now. It's going to weaken a little bit, especially here on this western side. And that's what's going to cause Dorian to stall here over the northern Bahamas. Then it's going to weaken even more. And then at that point, then that'll dictate how Dorian moves north and northeast over the southeastern United States. So latest cone from the Hurricane Center looks exactly the same as the previous one. They hardly changed a thing. As you can see, very tight forecast points. Maybe slightly closer to shore or slightly farther away from shore than my prediction, but only slightly. It's about the same dealio at the moment. Once again, rainfall. This is the same graphic we've had since around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's the rainfall expected with Dorian. Once again, you can see these models shifted. They were right here where I can't tell what color, dark green maybe. This dark blue or the navy, I don't even know what color these are. They were around here, and now they shifted back that way about a degree or so. Remember, another degree that way, we're on the coast. So stay tuned. You can see intensity guidance slowly going downward. I think I almost went exactly with the official forecast. That's that black line there in the center. Probably the best idea at the moment, maybe slightly weaker than that. Once again, beautiful satellite presentation. This is temperature, so these are cooler cloud tops up here, and then warmer as you head out. The cooler the storm is, the stronger it is. Beautiful looking cyclone, except for a little bit of shear, I think, over here on this side, resulting in less. If it looked like this on this side, we would have a Category 5 easy, but the main winds are currently being found in this northern portion, which is typical of Atlantic tropical cyclones. This is the latest aircraft thing that went in here. Found a pressure of 937. NHC chose to go with 940 instead, probably because that's exaggerated a little too high. And you can see over there between these pink, there's that hot pink. That's Cat 5 winds at the surface. But the Hurricane Center, there's some down here too. The Hurricane Center said that those were probably inaccurate. So they opted not to upgrade Dorian to Category 5. We'll have more information tomorrow morning, afternoon, sometime. I'll get it to you guys as I have it. Lots of information still to come. Lots of changes still could be made. Florida, South Carolina, Georgia, and North Carolina are all in potential impact areas.